Hi everyone, today I'm here to talk about where I've been for the past few weeks because as you may have noticed, I have not been posting, but I have a good excuse for that. You see, I have been undertaking very important bridesmaids duties. Yes, a close friend of mine is getting married, and with that comes responsibility to the bridesmaids, aka me and some other people, but also me. And I have had to do loads of different things. That includes learning like 4 dances, 2 for the Mehndi event, which is like the pre-wedding celebration, and then 2 for the wedding, the actual wedding, which is coming up this Saturday. And on top of that, I have also had to keep up with the pace of my life, and with that has come a job offer in Italy. I have been accepted to become an English tutor for a summer camp in Italy for an organisation called Bell Beyond. Now it's super exciting because I get to stay in Italy. I don't know where yet because they will tell me after training, but it could be anywhere. It could be like Venice, Florence, Rome, Milan. It could be anywhere. I'm so excited. That involves me having to stay in Italy for minimum 2 weeks, but of course I want to get out of the UK, so I'm going to try and extend it for like 6 to 8 weeks if I can. And I will be teaching English to young kids, young Italian kids I should say. Hopefully the language barrier won't be too much of a struggle, but I'm just hoping that it will be the experience of a lifetime, and I'm pretty sure it will be. I don't have to worry about food, travel or accommodation costs, like none of it, because apparently if you work for Bell Beyond then all of that is covered for you. Travel within Italy actually, because I have to pay for my flights to and from Italy. But that's fine because in the UK I'm hoping that kind of distance won't be too much of an expense. But I am yet to find out because I have to book my flights. Anyway, so I've been busy with that, like applications with that, and then I've also had to fill in loads of documents for having a tourist visa because, you know, the UK is not part of the EU anymore thanks to that stupid Brexit vote. I've had to deal with sending post to Italy, which I've had to pay for by airmail. I've also had to do loads of online forms for them. I've also been busy with NYT, National Youth Theatre. You know about them because I posted a video about Stepping Up, a course that I did with them last December. I am part of something called the Big Weekender, which is something for the Queen's Jubilee, like a celebration for that. And because I'm a member of NYT now, woohoo, I have been invited to be part of their promotional video for that. So I will be busy this weekend, which also coincides with my friend's wedding. But not to worry, because the NYT Big Weekender is only from 10:30 to 1 on the Saturday, which is when the wedding is. And then it's all day Sunday, but Sunday is fine because I don't have any commitments that day other than the NYT Big Weekender. So that's going to be really fun. That's going to be filmed in the West End, and I don't know when that's going to be released, but because it's for the Jubilee, I'm guessing it'll be around early June. So look out for that. Yes, super excited for that. Also, I have been back and forth to my sister's place, my friend's place for the wedding and for the Mehndi. I've been having to go to Green Street to get outfits for the Mehndi and the wedding. There's just been no time, you know, there's been no time to film or upload any YouTube videos. But you may be wondering, how come she has time today and the wedding is on Saturday? Well, I'll tell you why. One of my important things on my to-do list was to test out my makeup for Saturday. You see, because I am not getting a makeup artist to do my makeup. So I'm relying on my own skill, and I'm hoping that my own skill is good enough for Saturday's event. This is generally how I was planning on doing my makeup, minus eyeliner, eyeshadow, and second layer of foundation. So far today, I've only used face cream, a face oil that's meant to make your skin glow a bit, but I don't think it works very well. I mean, you can let me know in the comments what you think, but when I applied it, I did not think that it was amazing. I thought it looked really patchy and weird, but that was like under my foundation, so maybe you won't be able to tell now, but I found it super weird. I used primer, and then I used one layer of Vichy mousse type foundation. And then I used eyebrow gel to fill in the gaps of my eyebrows, because I did not pay to get them done, because that's expensive. Like, I can't keep going back every few months to have them waxed or like threaded. Like, I can't afford this, okay? I'm a student, I don't have a full-time job. I cannot do this. So I just thought, let me get this little gel thing. It's called Unbeliever Brow by L'Oreal, and basically I think it's really good because it says on the packet that it's supposed to be waterproof, transfer proof, smudge proof, sweat proof. It promises a lot, but we'll see. Apparently before, you can have very sparse looking eyebrows. I don't know if you can see that. And then after, it looks very filled in. So hopefully they look good. I mean, I've never done eyebrow makeup on myself ever in my life before. You can tell me if this looks okay for a wedding. Like, I've just filled in these bits here at the end because they are more sparse than these bits. And because I have dark hair, I'm unsure about how much to put. I don't want to look like a cave woman with like massive bushy eyebrows that are too dark and too thick, basically. So I don't know, I've tried my best. Let me know what you think, please, because the wedding's on Saturday. So I need your advice. I don't think I would wear this colour lipstick. I think I'm gonna wear a lighter shade because this one seems a bit too striking and my dress is not a dark colour, so I don't want to look tacky. And my hair, I've only just pinned up, I found these really cute little clips today in a box of mine, and I only just pinned up 2 bits here, but I don't think it's very sturdy, so I don't know if I'll do that for the wedding. It just needs to be very set so that I can dance about and move about, because there will be dance. Let me tell you now, there will be dance. So my hair needs to stay in place. It cannot be flinging about all over the place, okay? That's been my life. But you know what? I missed out a couple more things that I am doing, yeah. So I am with NYFA, which is NYFA, not a violent organisation, National Youth Film Academy. With them this year I'm making a film using the program called Set Ready, and in that we're put into different groups to organise our own film and scripts and characters and the whole shebang. Basically, we are making our own film. Coming with that is like so much responsibility. Even though I'm an actor, I'm supposed to contribute in any way I possibly can. So I have been trying, but it's been really difficult with all these other responsibilities that I've been juggling recently. I am trying to attend the meetings that are happening like daily or every 2 days. Literally, they happen almost on a daily basis. And luckily they're online. If they were in person, I'd be out, mate, I'd be out. But luckily they're online, and they've been taking up a little bit of my time as well, but genuinely they're really nice people, so I enjoy their meetings and I come out happier, I feel, after every meeting that we have. I think it's also because it's like the prospect of my future and just thinking about acting and performing, it just makes me so happy. That's why it has had a positive impact. Maybe these meetings actually help with my mental health at the moment. Not that I'm struggling, but I do get a little bit overwhelmed because of all the things that I have to do in these past few weeks. Another thing that I am doing is with Lewisham Youth Theatre. So yes, one youth theatre was not enough for me. I needed another one. I joined Lewisham Youth Theatre as someone who is doing a level 3 qualification in workshop facilitation. So I'm training to become a drama workshop facilitator, and now we've reached the stage where we have to go and deliver our workshops in schools. So this program has lasted for almost 3 months because we started at the start of March and it's now mid-May. We've been training every Tuesday and Wednesday. I've had to trek all the way to Lewisham, which has been a long journey, but I always come back more happy because of the social aspect of it and because everyone's just so nice on the course. I just love them all. Now we are at the work experience stage, so I'm having to go to different schools throughout Lewisham, which means a different journey every single time, by the way, and deliver my workshops to them. And it's been a bit of a mixed response. Some of the kids are very well behaved, other times it's a bit more challenging, so it saps a bit more energy out of me, but I'm able to do it, and I think it's really good training for Bell Beyond. And you know what? The Bell Beyond Italy program only happened because of this Lewisham Youth Theatre experience. If I had not signed up for this, I would not have spoken to my friend who told me about this whole thing. So that is why I have been super busy and very, very occupied and not had time to upload and post. I haven't even had time to do leisure art, you know, and that hurts my soul. The last time I did that was during Ramadan. Oh my god, how I miss it. But not to fear, soon I shall be freer than I am now because my facilitation project is ending soon, which is quite sad because I'm going to really miss them all, but also like it's going to be a little bit of a weight off my shoulders not having to go to Lewisham every week. And also my friend is getting married, so after that I won't have bridesmaids duties anymore, so that will leave me a little bit more time to do some YouTube stuff. But for now, I thank you for your patience. Thank you so much for sticking with me and being loyal and watching my content. Please continue to do so. I hope you understand how busy I have been. Hopefully I will be way more regular, back to my 1 week pattern very soon. Thanks for watching and have a nice day /evening/night.